Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back once again. We will continue doing sums and measurement. This is part 6 of measurement for your school and Olympiad exams. Let's learn and grow together. If the capacity of a pot is same as the capacity of 5 mugs and 3 bottles, the capacity of a bottle is same as the capacity of 2 mugs and a cup, and the capacity of 1 mug is equivalent to 3 cups, then dash cups are needed to fill the pot. Option A 36, option B 33, option C 15 and option D 18. Here we can see that the pot can be filled up with 5 mugs and 3 bottles. But the question says how many cups are needed to fill the pot. So let's first convert 5 mugs in terms of cups. 1 mug is equivalent to 3 cups. So 5 mugs are equivalent to 5 into 3 cups. Now let's find out 3 bottles are equivalent to how many cups. 1 bottle is shown in terms of mugs and cup. So we need to convert it into cups. 1 bottle is equal to 1 mug plus 1 mug plus 1 cup. Again, 1 mug is same as 3 cups. So 1 bottle is equivalent to 3 cups plus 3 cups plus 1 cup, that is 7 cups. Now we got that the capacity of 1 bottle is same as the capacity of 7 cups. So the capacity of 3 bottles will be 3 into 7 cups. So 5 into 3 cups is equal to 15 cups and 3 into 7 cups is equal to 21 cups. When added together, we got 36 cups. So 36 cups are needed to fill the pot. So the correct option is A 36. A bridge is 600 meter long and a truck is 5 meter long. How many trucks can stand on a bridge if the trucks stand with a gap of 1 meter? This is a bridge and it is 600 meter long. And this is a truck and it is 5 meter long. Like this, there are many trucks standing on the bridge. But the trucks are standing with a gap of 1 meter. It means the gap between the two trucks is 1 meter. So total length required by one truck is equal to length of the truck plus gap between the two trucks. Length of the truck is 5 meter. Gap between the two trucks is 1 meter. Therefore, total length is equal to 5 meter plus 1 meter, that is 6 meter. The question is how many trucks can stand on a bridge? Therefore, the number of trucks that can stand on the bridge is equal to total length of the bridge divided by total length required by one truck. Total length of the bridge is 600 meter. Length required by one truck is 6 meter. Therefore, number of trucks that can stand on the bridge is equal to 600 meter divided by 6 meter, that is 100. So how many trucks can stand on a bridge? Answer is 100. If watermelon plus apple is equal to 19 kg. 5 watermelons plus pear plus 3 apples is equal to 94 kg, and watermelon plus pear is equal to 22 kg, then the weight of apple is how much? Option A 4 kg, option B 3 kg, option C 2 kg, and option D 5 kg. Let's rewrite the expression. 5 watermelon plus 1 pear plus 3 apples is equal to 94 kg. Here, weight of the watermelon or pear or apple is not known to us, but we know that weight of the watermelon plus apple is equal to 19 kg and weight of a watermelon plus pear is equal to 22 kg. So let's arrange these fruits in that manner. This watermelon plus this apple together plus this watermelon plus this apple together and this watermelon plus this apple together. Now 3 watermelons, 3 apples are already grouped. So 2 watermelons and 1 pear is left. So we can also arrange 1 watermelon and 1 pear together. Now only 1 watermelon is left. So total 94 kg. Watermelon plus apple is 19 kg. So this is also 19 kg. 19 kg. Watermelon plus pear is equal to 22 kg. So this is 22 kg. Plus watermelon is equal to 94 kg. Let's add this together. 19 kg plus 19 kg plus 19 kg plus 22 kg is 79 kg plus watermelon is equal to 94 kg. Therefore, watermelon is equal to 94 kg minus 79 kg, that is 15 kg. The question is, weight of the apple is how much? Here, weight of the watermelon plus apple is equal to 19 kg. Weight of the watermelon is equal to 15 kg. Therefore, weight of the apple is equal to 19 kg minus 15 kg, that is 4 kg. So the correct option is A, 4 kg.